If Discord is stuck on Do Not Disturb and you want to switch yourself back online, the good news is it only takes a few seconds to change it. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account and settings page. Now, look right under your profile picture and username. You'll see your current status there. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, it'll usually show a red icon. Tap on your current status once. A small menu will pop up with different status options like Online, Idle, Do Not Disturb, and Invisible. To turn off Do Not Disturb, simply tap Online. As soon as you select it, your status will instantly switch back to normal, and you'll see the green dot appear next to your profile. People can now see that you're active again, and you'll start receiving notifications normally if they were being muted before. Thanks for watching. If this quick tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.